Alright, good morning to Cam Cam. Alright, good morning to Cam Cam. Having to do a take 2 of this because I was so hangry this morning that I was like really not giving my all to this. So got some food in me, feeling much better. Today, like I was saying, that it's a little bit of a fire drill because a lot of times what I have to do in the morning is address some of the wholesale emails I get, just either reorganizing shipping or organizing what pieces they're getting if we're split shipping, which just means I send what's ready and then send the rest when it's ready. So did that this morning, but mainly the focus is, if any of you work with manufacturers, you know that when you get a new piece done, you know you have to pay for the sample, the mold, you're paying for a lot of components to make that casting just yours. And what I wanted to do for fall is revamp some of those castings, add different stones, different elements. So my focus today is taking a look at those and kind of going through my stone options for fall. Because you really want to try and get, you know, as much bang for your buck for if you're going to pay for all of that to make a casting your own. You don't want to just use it for only one thing if you can avoid that. So try to give you guys a peek into that, and otherwise that's about it. All right, peace. Wrap up. Today was fun. It was off to a little bit of a rocky start. I feel like I know I've talked about kind of the tricks of having inventory manufacturing, but something I haven't talked about is the fact that when you do get into manufacturing, I don't know, maybe it's just this particular industry, but when you do get into the logistics and manufacturing, I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like they're never stable. Like, everything's always changing. You're looking for a different supplier of this, a different supplier of that, and it's not, I think, as stable as some people think it would be. You know, you think you have the same prices and it's like more, I don't know. I think I went in thinking that it would be a lot more organized than maybe it really is, and so I feel like especially lately I've just been back and forth so much trying to find new suppliers of this, different vendor of that, tweaking and manufacturing. Just, don't want to say like being on the phone like yelling at people, but like having to be really stern with, you know, some of the people I work with, because I need consistency in order to run like my aspect of the business. So that part has been a little bit hard lately. But on a lighter note, I got to I've been trying to get some like different interviews and interview people I know that either are kind of like manufacturing or producing different interesting products, or that are doing jewelry at different stages in the game. So Alex of Like Water Does, who's just like the most mystical, magical little mermaid. I love her. Went out to her office in Pasadena, which was so cute and covered in crystals. It was like I don't know, is my haven. So I'll put her interview up as soon as possible because I think she's doing fine jewelry and isn't using the showroom route quite yet. So I think she has a good, interesting take on things. And let's see, got some fun things in store later this week. So, okay, peace.